Hello everyone. Today I will talk about cups. I have a cup. This is a cup. A cup. This is a red cup. A red cup. Is this a blue cup? No, this is not a blue cup. This is a red cup. Is this a yellow cup? No, this is not a yellow cup. This is a red cup. Is this a red cup? Yes, this is a red cup. This is another cup. This is a blue cup. Is this a red cup? No, this is not a red cup. This is a blue cup. And this is another cup. This is a yellow cup. Is this a yellow cup? Yes, this is a yellow cup. How many cups do I have? How many cups do I have? I have one, I have two, and I have three. I have 3 cups. I have a red cup, a blue cup, and a yellow cup. A red cup, a blue cup, and a yellow cup. I have 3 cups. Hello everyone. Today I will talk about my head. This is my head. My head. And this is my face. My face. This is my hair. My hair is black. Is my hair brown? No, my hair is not brown. My hair is black. What color is your hair? This is my forehead. My forehead is high. My forehead is not low. It is high. These are my eyebrows. 2 eyebrows. 1, 2. 2 eyebrows. My eyebrows are black. Are my eyebrows brown? No, they are not brown. They are black. What color are your eyebrows? These are my eyes. 2 eyes. 1 eye, 2 eyes. My eyes are big. My eyes are big. They are not small. They are big. I like my big eyes. And this is my nose. My nose is big, but it is not very big. These are my lips. My lips are pink. They are not red. They are pink. What color are your lips? Are your lips pink, brown, or red? These are my ears. 2 ears. 1 ear, 2 ears. My ears are big, big, but they are not very big. They are not small. They are big. Are your ears big or small? Let's review. Hair, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, lips, ears. Hello everyone. Today, I will talk about my school bag. This is a black school bag. I have a black school bag. Do you want to know what is in my school bag? Well, let's look. Let's take a look. I open my bag. I open my bag. What is in my school bag? I have a book. This is a book. This is a purple book. A purple book. This book is purple. I put the book in my bag. I take the book out of my bag. I put it in. I take it out. I put it in and I take it out. I often read my book. I read my book. Reading. This is a book. Now I put the book in my bag. The book is in my bag. What else do I have in my bag? I have pens. These are pens. I have 1 pen, 2 pens, and 3 pens. This pen is black, this pen is red, and this pen is blue. I have 1 pen, 2 pens, and 3 pens. I have 3 pens. I put the pen in my bag. I take the pens out. I put the pens in my bag. What else do I have in my bag? I have a notebook. This is a notebook. I open the notebook. I open the notebook. I close the notebook. I open the notebook and I close the notebook. I write in my notebook. I write. Writing. I write in my notebook. The notebook is open. I close my notebook. And I put the notebook in my bag. I put the notebook in my bag. I take the notebook out of my bag and I put it in. That's all for today. See you.